People, this is my brother, okay?
Good God.
Good night. So right now, I'm not planning to go up on the road. I'm just come over here, find someone put on it.
Chuck.
So everybody do want some brother. So some brother wanna look alike. Do we? Come closer to me now.
Of course you look alike. Stop that, man.
Which part of it?
Who cool at it?
So look at my little brother. Yes, my sharp. Yeah, my sharp in real life, and I'm just started at me. So I just go with my little red top. No, I love my little red top. I'm a little tight. I'm a little slippers, and then we'll go up on the road, go do something quick and forward. But you have nothing to say?
Bad crooks outside.
You're not gonna like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Most definitely they know it thing go.
Oh, the thing go. Tell them how it go.
A Petagaye life.
Which is right. I'll be a gimmick singing that funny now. So I'll just say quick late night, Friday night road trip, and then upload a vlog here Saturday. So you know some do that here yesterday. I never in it.
Yeah.
Oh, on the comment some things you want me and my little brother do. I saw my shot.
Likes. Hey.
My shot though. But just come for like to start the vlog and show them my brother. Come over to my brother and I force them to see you. Come now, yes.
Serious?
I force them to see.
Jaja God, the feel like you're telling you know. Teeth white and sitting. Sure.
You come from country, that's same taxes sometimes. A country you come from. Nothing wrong with that. Take up that. So tomorrow, walk up on the road again tomorrow. So my next vlog so forward and as soon curfew time and then Monday a lockdown cause Monday a holiday. So I just come start and me away pan for forward. Is it? So yeah. So guys, this is my jerk chicken. Whenever I get my bread, I have to go for bread and have. So take out in a piece. Alright, my piece of this piece. Elegant as usual. So yeah. So people, as I say, I reach home. I never really vlog, but I just kind of give like snippets. So I read. So I just buy chicken and a small soup. Guys, it tastes like conch soup because I just tell the man sell me a soup. And the soup was for $200 Jamaican and the chicken was for $650. So yeah, so I'm just there. And then tomorrow now, cut through the vlog short and I don't really have much to say. So Chin just shell down the place. So anyways, tomorrow I'm out tomorrow. I'm gonna cut my key and I'm gonna papine. Papine? I go Fantana. I go Ligani. I go Fantana, you know. And see what's in Fantana. Fantana? Should I? Where should I go tomorrow? The only thing I know, I'm gonna come my key for sure. Become a key, broke my key in my door. Ask me how I'm gonna do it, I'm just too strong. So that's what I'm gonna do tomorrow and wash my hair. Yeah, wash my hair. But what gonna do it? I don't know. I just look like I'm mad somebody for the entire week. Somebody can come sponsor me a hairstyle one day. Oh guys, and in the previous video you guys saw some puppies. I'm giving away those puppies, so if you guys are interested, please either DM me or email me. DM me or email me. I check my emails every day, so if you're definitely interested in a puppy, let me No, and oh, and as well, when I was at Arbor View, I wanted some oysters, but based on my busy schedule and work, my work finished at 7 p.m. And when I went out there, it was like an oysters finished. So hopefully, can go get some oysters tomorrow. Next week, I'll be the same timing, so it doesn't really make a big difference. You understand? So, but I'm gonna eat oysters at Elsha. Long time ago, Elsha and the people. I want to say Elsha pre. Elsha, should I? I don't know, but guys, I may try post every day because why? Because on say on the business, on just want to upload. Some months ago, just upload. I never vlog earlier in this month. Never really do nothing. I just work from 10 o'clock to 7 o'clock. So 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. So between the hours of 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9, I'm still in my bed. I get myself mindset ready for work. Then I'm gonna go work now. I have a break. Then I have lunch. Then I have break. Then I work till my shift done. And then when my shift done now, the day done. So it makes no sense. So basically these days only thing I have is like a Saturday. What is this? So basically the free day I have is just Saturday. And then on Saturday now I just want to sleep. I'm not really going nowhere on a Saturday. My ear want wash. So I'm not really going nowhere on a Saturday either. So that's just a story of my life. Well, so it's guys, we're going for the merch. I don't know want a merch. And me I talk for 4 minutes. But I'm not bored, you know. But I'm not really have not much to say. Oh, my soon start go back live. Let's start go live on. I might go live tomorrow. So maybe the same day you're seeing this video. If you're not seeing me live now, by the time this video is posted, I should go live later. Okay? So, I don't know. Like, we just talk to the camera sometimes. But just find it weird. I mean, you want to find that weird? You come like go out and show. Yes, me I go Fontana tomorrow. Fontana, cut my key. Get some for drink, get some for eat, come on back. And rest. So, on a disappointed of the vlog short. The vlog not go long every time. When you say when you get an extra long vlog or the 20 odd minutes. So this is how I end the vlog tonight. Although I'm mostly talking, but sometimes you have to some talking. You understand? More and do what you call it? One Q&A? No, not a Q&A. More and do like one like a series like, and then understand me on what I say opinion or options. Basically, when I gonna tell me something, and then me a reason about it, I'm gonna give my feedback. If you do something like that, go and tell more on the two. For the small business owners, if you guys have any stuff you wanna advertise, no, when I say advertise, promote, advertise, promote. I'm upset. Once you say that, I'm accepting those. So we can make arrangements to pick it up, and I definitely show my people what you guys have to offer, okay? So some of the good stuff that I'm promote good stuff that I understand. So me I just go and do that. If you don't want to do that still, but if you know, yeah. The vlog will get long. See? It's all warm on the end of the vlog now. So thank you again so much for watching the vlog shot. Don't cost me. And every day the vlog will go long, and remember to watch the ads. Small is a telling for watch the ads at the end of the video when the video done. But you don't much know the strips. But if you don't really try to sew, you're the man them out there so. If you really try to sew, just subscribe. and subscribe and like, and I'll see you guys in the next upload. Oh, and thank you for everyone who is telling Chin congratulations. She appreciate it, and she definitely said the comments in. But I know she should have replied to everybody, but if not, just be on the lookout. So big up on yourself, and I keep you guys posted in regards to what's happening. Make AW day, I know. So this can post tomorrow, 6 o'clock or 5 o'clock, either. So